I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by collecting the essentials that make a Canadian resume readable and ATS-friendly. Open Word and pick a clean template, 1 page for early career, 2 pages for senior roles. Enter your name, Canadian phone number, city and province, and a professional email. Add LinkedIn and remove full address. Next, draft a 2-3-line professional summary that matches the job ad. This guides keyword selection. Once done, save as docx and name the file, last name, first name, resume. Now populate the main sections with measurable detail so employers immediately see fit. For each job, list company, role, and month-year dates, then use 3-6 achievement bullets starting with strong verbs and quantifying results where possible. Prioritize recent and relevant roles. Group older or short-term jobs under other experience. For skills, separate technical and language skills and include proficiency. Add education with degree, institution, and graduation year. Once formatted, use consistent fonts and spacing to improve scannability. Finish by refining clarity and ATS compatibility so your resume passes both humans and systems. Proofread aloud, remove I/me, and keep bullet points concise. Use standard fonts like Calibri or Arial, 1012 PT, and consistent margins. Convert to PDF for most applications but retain the docx for tailoring. One key troubleshooting tip: if your resume gets garbled in ATS, recreate it in a basic Word document without tables, graphics, or text boxes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.